The new Oppo Reno 15 series 5G is finally here, and after testing it out, these are the 3 features you'll actually use every single day. First, 4K Ultra Steady Video. Whether you're vlogging your commute or walking around, it combines 4K HDR with pro-level stabilization. It's smooth, clear, and honestly, no tripod, no problem. Next, the 50-megapixel selfie camera. It has a 100-degree field of view, so you can fit more in one frame without that awkward long arm struggle. Plus, the detail is insane, even in low light. And my favorite, AI motion photo pop-out. This works on regular photos and motion photos. In just one tap, it separates your subject and adds this 3D layered look. It makes your static shots look like high-effort social media content in 5 seconds. Content creation just got a lot easier. And it's all thanks to the Oppo Reno 15 series 5G. The phones are now available in the Philippines, starting at just 23,999 pesos.